You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals negative 630 over 13. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the arithmetic. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 30 over negative 13. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals negative 630 over 13.